Okay. So the questions related to distributive property. Distributive property. Okay. So we are going to start with a very basic question. With a very basic question, that is 25 multiply by 11 plus 11 multiply by 75. Suppose this is a question, okay? And it came that you have to solve this question by using distributive property. So if you remember that I have discussed yesterday this property. So yes, so I was telling here that we were discussing the question related to distributive property. Now look at here, two terms. Two terms means the first one is this and another one is this. Okay. Now, can you tell me what is common in these two? Common means the number which is written here also
11.
and the number which is written here
Ma'am,
also.
11.
Very good. Okay, okay. Please write it down this answer in the chat box, beta. Whatever you are speaking, can you please write it down in the chat box? It will be good for me also and for you also. Yes, very good. Everybody is writing that, ma'am, 11 is common. Okay, 11 is common. Can you tell me one more thing is common in both? Which sign is there in both the like places? Tell me. Which sign is there in both the places? Very good. The sign of multiplication. It means the sign of multiplication is also common. Okay. So remember, the distributive property says that if you have anything with both the terms, like if you have something common which is written in this term also and which is written on that term also. So you can take it out, that particular thing as a common. Okay. And you can take that particular thing outside. Okay. Now let me tell you how. Like 11 is here also, 11 is here also. So I will take 11 common. Okay. Then the next thing, the sign of multiply is here also. The sign of multiply is here also. I will take that also common. Okay. And now I will have a bracket. In that bracket, what is left over here? 11 was common. I took it out. If multiply was common, I took it out. Can you write it down in the chat box? What is left? जो कि मैंने जब बाहर निकालने के बाद बचा क्या बेटा? 25. Very good. Here only 25 left. Here the sign of plus is also left. And what is left over here? 11 came out, multiply came out. What is left over here? 75. Very nice. Okay. Now 75 is left. Now can you see? Yesterday I taught you this. Changu Mangu Samosa Chutney. Do you remember? This was only there. This pattern was only there, which I taught you yesterday. This was samosa, this was chutney, this was changu, this was mangu, and this was and. So the same thing came up now. Because the question which we are doing, it is related to distributive property only. So now we will solve it further. How will we solve it? 11 will remain like this. The sign of multiply will remain like this. And now 25 and 75 I will add, which will give it to me 100. And when it will give it to me 100, the answer will be 1100. Finished. First you note down this. I will explain it to you one more question. Okay. First of all, tell me what is common in both the terms. The first term is this, second term is this. Tell me which is common over here. Very good, very nice. Everybody is writing correct. The number which is common in both the terms. The number which is common in both the terms, that is 179. Very good. Can you tell me one more thing which is common over here? One more thing which is common over here. Very good. Very nice. The sign of multiply. The sign of multiply is also common. Very good. Absolutely right. Okay. So now the things which are common, I will write it down outside. I have written it over now. Now, what is left over here? Can you tell me? After taking out these things common, can you tell me what is left now? Here left 9998. Okay. Plus, what is left then? Plus
2.
Very good. It's 2. Correct. It's only 2. Now, can you tell me when I will solve this bracket, what will come? Can you tell me 9998 plus 2? What will come? When you will add 9998 plus 2. Very good, Samir. It would be 10,000. Yes, it would be 10,000. Very nice. And the sign of multiply. And this is 179. Now, can you tell me, while I will multiply 179 with 10,000, what answer will you get it over here? Which answer will you get it here? Please write it down in the chat box. Very good. Absolutely correct. The answer will be 179 4 times 0. 179 4 times 0. This is finished now. If you will see that, beta, this question I have given you just now for solving and try. Just you can see this. 128 is a number which is written in both the sides and also with the sign of multiply. So I will take it out common 128 and the sign of multiply. When I will take these two things common, I will be left with 93 over here plus the sign which I have taken it already common. The number is only left, that is 7. Now 93 and 7 will be added together, which will give you only 100. The sign of multiply, and this is 128. Now when I will multiply 128 with 100, you will get the answer 120. The correct one. Okay, many of you have given the correct answer, mostly. Now move on to the second question, which is related to subtraction. Okay, and remember the subtraction question is also the same pattern only. It is not affecting your question. Subtraction sign is not affecting your question. It will just remember like that only you have to do. How will you do that, beta? Remember, 65 is a number which is on both the sides. 65 will come out. Then the sign of multiply is also inside. So it will also come out common. Now, what is left when you will take it out common? From here, 1002 will be left. Then the sign of minus and only 2. Because that side only 2 is there. Remember, instead of sign plus, it will be minus sign. Why minus sign? Because in the question it sign of minus over here. Now this is 65, the sign of multiply, and 1002 minus 2, it will give you only 1000. Okay, and knowing when you will multiply 65 with 1000, you will get it 65,000 in the answer. Finish. Only beta. अब आपको क्या करना है? In this question, this is also related to distributive property only, beta. What you need to do, you have to just distribute samosa chutney to Changu and samosa chutney to Mangu. Now, can you type in the chat box, what is samosa over here? Tell me, what is samosa? Which number is samosa over here? Can you tell me? In the chat box, I told you yesterday, 25. Very good. The samosa is 25. Can you tell me what is chutney over here? Can you tell me what is chutney over here? Chutney I am talking about. Sign of multiply is chutney. Sign of multiply is chutney now. Samosa and chutney. Can you tell me where is Changu? What is Changu over here? What is Changu over here? Answer in the chat box. Very good. Correct. It's 10. Changu is 10. And what is Mangu over here? What is Mangu over here? Can you tell me in the chat box? Very good. Mango is 12. Mango is 12. Now let us study this. I taught you this, that distributive property says that you have to distribute samosa and chutney to Changu and Mangu together. Okay, and equally. How will you do? 25 multiply by 10. Samosa chutney to Changu. Given. Okay, the sign of plus. The sign of plus. Okay, then again samosa chutney to Mangu. Now given, finished. See, samosa chutney given to Changu, samosa chutney given to Mangu. And if it is the sign of plus, here also it will come plus. If it is minus, it will come minus only. Now finished. Now let us solve it. How will you solve it? 25 multiply by 10. It will give you 250 plus 25 multiply by 12. It will give you here, it will 12 just 60, carry here 2, 12, 2 are 24, 24 and 6, 300. It will give you here 300. Well, you will do it. And afterwards, at the last, you will solve it through addition. Answer will come 550. Now, please type in the chat box, have you understood or not? Yes or no in the chat. This question was given by me. 121 multiplied by 11 plus 20. So what we will do is, we will first think that this is samosa, this is chutney, this is Changu and this is Mangu. So I will distribute samosa and chutney to Changu and samosa and chutney to Mangu also. So first I will take samosa chutney to 11. Okay, 121 multiplied by 11. Then the sign of plus. And the same thing again, 121 multiply with 20. This is done. Okay, and then now we will multiply it. So when I will multiply this, 11 ones are 11. Carry I 1. 11 2s are 22. 22 plus 1, 23. So carry will be coming 2. 11 ones are 11. And 11 and 2. 11 ones are 11 and 11 and 2, 13. 1331 plus. Now this will be 0 will remain 0. 2 ones are 2. 2 2s are 4 and 2 1s are 2. Now it is giving you 2420. Now we will just only add it. 2420 and you will add now 1331. Now let us add this. It will give you 1. 2 plus 3 will give you 5. 4 plus 3 will give you 7. 2 plus 1 will give you 3. So the correct answer is 3751. Finished.